Nestled on the Malabar coast of Kerala, a region renowned for its lush landscapes and vibrant culture, Kodungallur is a town where the echoes of a glorious past resonate through its ancient streets and monuments, amidst the tranquility of nature's bounty, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. This historical gem, once a bustling port city known as Muziris, was a melting pot of cultures and a hub of commerce, playing a pivotal role in ancient spice trade routes that connected India to the world, bringing in traders from far and wide. The traditional boats that once sailed these waters carried not just spices but stories and traditions that have shaped the region. Today, Kodungallur stands as a testament to its rich heritage, with its historical landmarks narrating tales of a bygone era, offering a captivating blend of history, culture and natural beauty that continues to enchant travelers from far and wide. Visitors can explore the town's many attractions, each telling a unique story of its past and present. Prepare to be transported back in time as you explore ancient temples, each with its own architectural splendor and historical significance, colonial churches that stand as reminders of the town's diverse cultural influences, and the remnants of a bygone era that whisper stories of the past. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of local life, where the bustling markets and lively streets reflect the town's dynamic spirit, where ancient traditions and modern influences intertwine seamlessly, creating a unique cultural mosaic. Whether you seek solace in the lap of nature with its peaceful trails and scenic spots, wish to delve into the annals of history through its well-preserved artifacts and museums, or simply crave an authentic cultural experience through local performances and festivals, Kodungallur promises an unforgettable journey of discovery where every corner has a story to tell. Get ready to embark on an adventure that will ignite your senses and leave an enduring mark on your soul. As the sun sets over this enchanting town, you'll find yourself captivated by its serene beauty and timeless charm. Kodungallur awaits, ready to unveil its hidden treasures and weave its magic around you, inviting you to become a part of its rich and storied tapestry. Kodungallur's historical significance dates back centuries to a time when it was the legendary port city of Muziris. This ancient city, shrouded in mystery and legend, was a bustling hub of activity and commerce, drawing traders and explorers from far and wide. Renowned as the gateway to Kerala, Muziris flourished as a major center of trade between the ancient Roman Empire and South India. The city was a melting pot of cultures, where merchants from different parts of the world exchanged not just goods, but also ideas and traditions. Spices, textiles, ivory and precious stones were just some of the coveted goods that flowed through this bustling harbor. The aroma of exotic spices filled the air, while the vibrant colors of textiles dazzled the eyes of visitors. Standing as a silent witness to this glorious past is the iconic Kodungallur Bhagavathi temple. This temple, with its rich history and cultural significance, has been a place of worship and pilgrimage for centuries. Dedicated to the fierce goddess Bhadrakali, this ancient temple is renowned for its intricate carvings, vibrant murals and the annual Bharani festival, a spectacle of color, music and religious fervor. The festival attracts devotees and tourists alike, who come to witness the grandeur and spirituality of the celebrations. Another significant landmark is the St. Thomas Church, believed to have been founded by St. Thomas the Apostle in 52 AD, making it one of the oldest churches in India. This church stands as a testament to the early spread of Christianity in the region and its enduring legacy. As you wander through the historical remnants of Kodungallur, you'll feel the weight of centuries gone by. The ancient ruins tell stories of a bygone era where every stone and artifact has a tale to tell. The stories of ancient mariners, spice traders and pilgrims come alive, painting a vivid picture of a time when Kodungallur stood at the crossroads of civilization. It was a place where different cultures met, interacted and left their indelible mark on history. Beyond its historical treasures, Kodungallur is blessed with a landscape of captivating beauty. This charming town, nestled in the heart of Kerala, offers a unique blend of natural wonders that are sure to enchant any visitor. The town is situated on the banks of the Periyar River, a lifeline that nourishes the region and adds to its scenic charm. Here, the tranquil backwaters of Kerala weave their way through lush greenery, creating a serene and picturesque landscape. Embark on a leisurely boat ride along these serene waterways, gliding past swaying coconut palms and immersing yourself in the peaceful ambience. As you drift along, you'll encounter emerald rice paddies and traditional villages that offer a glimpse into the local way of life. For those seeking the allure of the coast, nearby Shavakad Beach beckons with its pristine sands and azure waters. This beach is a perfect spot for relaxation and recreation. Here you can bask in the warm sun, take a refreshing dip in the Arabian Sea, or engage in various beach activities. Alternatively, simply stroll along the shore, enjoying the gentle sea breeze and the soothing sound of the waves. Further inland, explore the captivating mangrove forests that line the estuaries. These dense forests are a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The mangroves provide sanctuary to a diverse array of bird life, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Whether you prefer the tranquility of the backwaters, the allure of the coast, or the serenity of the mangroves, Kodungallur has something special to offer every traveler. Kodungallur offers a diverse range of natural wonders to soothe your soul and rejuvenate your spirit. Come and experience the magic of this enchanting destination. Kodungallur's unique location on the Malabar coast endows it with a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. The town is surrounded by lush coconut groves, their slender trunks reaching towards the sky like nature's own skyscrapers. These iconic trees are not just a visual treat, but also an integral part of the local economy, providing coconuts, oil, and coir. The fertile fields surrounding Kodungallur are a patchwork of vibrant green rice paddies where farmers cultivate one of Kerala's staple crops. As you venture into the backwaters and estuaries, keep an eye out for a variety of bird species, including kingfishers, herons, egrets, and cormorants. The mangrove forests in particular serve as important breeding grounds for many avian species. From the swaying coconut palms to the vibrant bird life, Kodungallur's natural world is a testament to the biodiversity of this coastal paradise. Take the time to appreciate the intricate details of nature's creations as you explore this captivating region. Section 5. Festive spirit, celebrating tradition in Kodungallur. Kodungallur's cultural richness is best experienced during its vibrant festivals, which offer a glimpse into the region's deep-rooted traditions and beliefs. One such festival is the Kodungallur Bharani, a 10-day spectacle held annually at the Kodungallur Bhagavathi temple. During this festival, the temple comes alive with a riot of color, music and dance. Devotees from all over Kerala throng to the temple, offering prayers and participating in elaborate rituals. Another highlight of Kodungallur's cultural calendar is the traditional boat races, a thrilling spectacle that takes place on the backwaters during the monsoon season. Teams of oarsmen, clad in colourful attire, row their snake boats with incredible speed and synchronization, competing for glory and the cheers of the enthusiastic crowds. These festivals are not just religious observances, but also a celebration of the region's cultural heritage, bringing people together to revel in their shared traditions. Section 6. Getting there, your journey to Kodungallur. Reaching Kodungallur is relatively easy thanks to its convenient location. The nearest airport is Cochin International Airport, located approximately 75 kilometers away. From the airport you can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach Kodungallur. If you prefer traveling by train, the nearest railway station is Aluva railway station, situated around 40 kilometers away. Kodungallur is well connected by road to major cities and towns in Kerala. State-run buses and private buses operate regularly between Kodungallur and other parts of the state. You can also hire a car or taxi for a more comfortable and personalized journey. Once you arrive in Kodungallur, local transportation options like auto rickshaws and taxis are readily available for getting around town and exploring the nearby attractions. Section 7. A tropical paradise, best time to visit Kodungallur. Kodungallur experiences a tropical climate characterized by warm temperatures and high humidity throughout the year. The best time to visit is during the winter months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. During this time, the humidity is relatively low and the temperatures range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for exploring historical sites, enjoying boat rides on the backwaters, and relaxing on the beach. While the monsoon season from June to September brings heavy rainfall, it also transforms the landscape into a lush, green paradise. If you don't mind the rain, this can be a magical time to experience the backwaters in their full glory. Section 8. Culinary delights, savouring the flavours of Kodungallur. No trip to Kerala is complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine, and Kodungallur is no exception. Being a coastal town, seafood features prominently in the local culinary repertoire. Fresh catches of the day, including prawns, fish, crabs and lobsters, are transformed into mouth-watering curries, fries and grilled delicacies. Don't miss the opportunity to try Karimin polichathu, a traditional Kerala dish made with pearl spot fish marinated in a spicy paste and wrapped in banana leaves before being grilled or steamed to perfection. For vegetarians, there's an array of flavorful dishes to choose from, including avial, a mixed vegetable curry with coconut and yogurt, thoron, a dry vegetable dish, and sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew. Complete your culinary journey with a taste of payasam, a sweet rice pudding flavored with jaggery, cardamom, and nuts, a perfect end to a satisfying meal. Section 9, Kodungallur, a journey to remember. From its ancient port of Muziris to its serene backwaters and vibrant festivals, Kodungallur offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking an authentic cultural experience, this hidden gem on the Malabar coast promises an unforgettable journey. Explore the remnants of a glorious past, immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature, and savor the flavors of Kerala's rich culinary heritage. Kodungallur beckons, ready to transport you to a realm where time seems to stand still and the echoes of history mingle with the gentle rhythm of life on the coast. So pack your bags and embark on an adventure to this enchanting destination. Kodungallur awaits, ready to unveil its treasures and leave an enduring mark on your soul.